Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss topics of important topics for UPSC prelims friends, right? You can call me on this following number and you can download the daily newspaper analysis from our Telegram channel. Right, so these are a few details about me, so you can go through it. So next, these are details of my offline batches, so please visit there. Next, so today's our important topics are, and this is the right friends. So just a second. Right friends, this is the fifth video, right? So this is the fifth video and the first topic is Easter Sunday attack, right? Easter Sunday attack. And the second topic is, in this video I'll be dictating only the topics friends. I will not mention any kind of handwriting, right? Because it is taking a little bit long time as well, and due to other reasons as well friends. So let me dictate you the topics, right friends? So first, the first topic is Easter Sunday attack. What does it mean and for what purpose it was in news? You have to cover these things and in which country it was, right? Next, the second topic is Cyclone Maha. Cyclone Maha. So let me write the spelling of Maha friends here. M-A-H-A, right? So Cyclone Maha. The third topic is oil trade war between different countries. Next is New India map. So recently India has been announced a new map of India, so please go through it and go through the locations, particularly regarding the Jammu and Kashmir, India and China, Nepal and China, Bhutan and China, Bhutan and India, next Myanmar and India friends, right? So these borders are very much important this year, so please make sure that you are covering these topics. Next is Brew refugees friends. What are the crises of brew refugees? So cover this topic as well. Next is International Civil Aviation Organization. That is International Civil Aviation Organization friends. Next is SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The next topic is the financial sector the financial sector regulator appointment search committee, right friends? So for what purpose this committee has been scheduled and what kind of recommendations it has been given, and what are the under which department it will come friends. So you need to cover these all topics, right? Next, what do you understand by the hydraulic fracturing? Next, read about the organization or institute called as CSIR, right? CSIR. Next, read about the virus attacks, that is Pegasus, right? So the spelling is Pegasus, right? Pegasus. Next is National Socialist Council of Nagaland. The Nagaland crisis are going right now. So what are the crises, for what purpose, and what are the demands of the Nagaland? So please make sure that you are covering this word. Next is read about the ASEAN, right? Read about ASEAN, ASEAN, right? Next, read about the SILAM system, that is System for Integrated Modeling of Atmospheric Composition, right? So let me write the acronym here, SILAM. It will stands for System for Integrated Modeling of Atmospheric Composition. The next topic is India-Thailand connectivity. What is the project going between the India and Thailand connectivity? Next topic is Lone Wolf attack. What it is? So let me write the spelling here friends. LONEWOLF. Sorry, let me write like this. Lone Wolf attack, ATTACK, reference. Lone Wolf attack, what does it mean? Next, read about the real-time information system. Next topic is global justice debate, right friends? Next is Ayushman Bharat Mission. Read about this scheme. Next is PUSA 1121. What do you understand by this? Pusa 1121. PUSA 1121. It is a type of rice, friends. So please make sure that you are from which state this rice belongs to and for what purpose it was in news recently, that is in past 1 year, right? Next is Parli. So Parli, PARALI. So Parli, what is this? This is also a type of rice. Next is BRICS Summit. Next topic is President Rule. Next is Human Development Index. This topic I have covered in last video also, so don't bother about it. Next, Bolivia crisis. What are the crises which are going right now in the Bolivia? Next, Tiger Trump. So what do you understand by that Tiger Trump? For what purpose this term is in news recently? So this kind of questions has been asking very much frequently in UPSC prelims, friends. So please focus on such kind of questions. Don't neglect it, right? Next is Pneumonia and Diarrhea Progress Report. Pneumonia and Diarrhea Progress Report. Let me write the spelling of pneumonia here because many of the students might get confused regarding the spelling. PNEUMONIA, right, friends? So this is Pneumonia and Diarrhea Progress Report. Next topic is International Vaccine Access Center. That is, I'll repeat this topic. International Vaccine Access Center, right, friends? Next topic is FCRS, that is Foreign Contribution Regulation Authority. Next topic is secularism, and while reading secularism you have to cover the topic of the Western secularism and the Indian secularism and the difference between the Western and the Indian secularism, because this topic has been asked in UPSC in mains examination as well. So this topic is very much important, right, friends? So let me go to the next topic, that is NEERI. NEERI. What does it mean, right? Next is Cyclone Bulbul. So where does the cyclone Bulbul occur and how many states it has been covered? So you need to cover these kind of questions, right? Next topic is Lancet report on climate change. Next topic is Household Consumer Expenditure Survey. These surveys and reports, indexes you need to cover thoroughly, friends, right? Next is National Testing Agency. Next topic is Revised National TB Program, Tuberculosis Program, right, friends? Next is Water Report Card. So how many states in India presently facing the water droughts, and you need to cover those states as well, right? And what are the crops which has been developed in such kind of states to come out from the water burden, right? Next, read about Adi Shankara. Next is Agni Missile. Next topic is International Association of Athletic Federation. Next topic is Health System for New India Report. Next topic is Bharatiya Poshan Krishi Kosh. This scheme you have to cover, friends, because it was specifically mentioned in the news, right? Bharatiya Poshan Krishi Kosh. Next topic is BRICS Digital Health Summit. BRICS Digital Health Summit. Next topic is Fair and Remunerative Price. Fair and remunerative price is given for how many crops and what are they. So you need to cover, and what percentage it is giving at present. So you need to cover these all things. Next topic is Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. Next topic is read about the Cartosat 3 and other technical terms which are mentioned in this particular topic. Next topic is National Food Security Act of 2013. Next is NCLAT, that is National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Next topic is National Family Health Survey 4. Read, you should compare National Family Health Survey Report 4 with 3, friends, right? Next is Tinkar Pass, TINKAR, right, friends? So let me write the spelling of here. Tinkar Pass, right? So next is World, let me check, friends, right? World Talent Ranking Report, friends, right? World Talent Ranking Report, right? So next topic is Kalasabandhuri project. So under which state is it is doing, friends? Kalasabandhuri project. Next topic is NetGrid. NATGRID, that is National Grid System, right, friends? So let me write here NATGRID, right? National Grid. Next topic is Himayat Mission. Read about Himayat Mission. The next topic is Surrogacy Regulation Bill of 2019. Next topic is Global Bio India Summit, where it was held and what are the outcomes of this summit. Read about this. Next topic is Global Inclusive Prospect Index, right, friends? Global Inclusive Prospective Index. Sorry, my mistake, friends. Global Inclusive Prosperity Index. So next topic is Global Connectivity Index. Next is Global Conservative Zone. Next is Cyclone Alia. So let me write here Cyclone Alia, that is AILA, right? Cyclone Alia. Read about the 15th Finance Commission and what are the recommendations of the 15th Commission, how the Finance Commission can be set up in India, what are the articles can become under the Finance Commission, right? Who is the present Finance Commission, who is the 14th Finance Commission, what is the tenure of the Finance Commission, right, friends? So these are all questions you need to cover, right? So next topic is Transaction of Business Rules of 1961. Next is Operation Masoom, right? So let me write here Operation Masoom, MASOOM, right? Next is lysosomal storage disorder. So what it was? Lysosomal storage disorder. So what is the spelling of lysosomal? That is LYSOSOMAL, storage disorder, right? Read about Comcasa. Next read about Centrix, CENTRIEX. Next read about NSO, right? Next read about NSSO, that is National Sample Survey Organization. Next is Foreigners Act of 1946. Next is measles infections. Next topic is Lancet Global Health Reports. Next is Hulimavu Lake. So where the Hulimavu Lake is located, under which state it was located, and what are the surrounding areas it was located nearby Hulimavu Lake. So let me write the spelling of this, friends, right? That is HULIMAVU, Hulimavu Lake, right? So next is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that is ODF, Open Defecation Free. Next is Samvidhan Divas, that is Constitution Day. Read about entire chapter from this, friends, right? So next we see about the Shiksha Bharat Mission. Next is UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Program. Next topic is Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu merger of Union Territory Bills 2019, right, friends? Next topic is National Institute of Design amended Bill 2019, friends, right? That is National Institute of Design Amendment Bill 2019. Next scheme is PM Mudra, right? Next topic is India Digital Wellness Report. Next topic is Emission Gap Report, and the next topic is Global Diplomacy Index. Further, Chit Funds Amendment Bill 2019, and the last topic of this video is Jnanpith Award, right, friends? Jnanpith Award, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. If you have any doubts regarding this video, and if you're not understood any topic or any spellings you are not getting, friends, so let me know in the comment sections, right? And let me know what kind of problems you are facing with this such kind of videos, right, friends? So thank you very much. Have a great day.